Uh-oh.
Well, you just walk. Oh, this is a forest.
It's a forest walk.
Walk.
Pick your bum. Are you picking your bum? Is it itchy? Okay, that's enough picking your bum. Let's go, let's catch up. Run. Can you hear the sea, Flynn? Think we'll see the sea soon?
Huh?
You think we'll see the sea soon?
No.
Well, what's that sign?
The sea.
And we're walking, it's getting lighter. Do you think we'll see the sea soon? We will, we will. Where? What'd you see?
My bird.
Poo?
Poo.
I hope you haven't done a poo.
Yeah.
Coming! Yeah?
It's fine, it's this long one. Now we have to go. Run.
It's a camera.
Nana.
It's a camera.
Nana.
Camera.
Nana.
Camera.
Nana.
Mommy. Can you see Mommy?
Yeah.
There's Mommy and Flynn. Can you see Mommy and Flynn?
Bye.
Flynn!
Bye. Mama.
See the bear, Rocky? We're looking for a bear. Where's the bear? Where's the bear, Rocky?
Bear.
Let's go find a bear. Find a bear. Yeah. Yeah, there'll be a bear. We have to look for bear poo and then we'll find a bear.
What? There's no bears around this forest.
You seem very sure, little man.
What?
You seem very sure. How do you know?
Because there's no... Is there bears in this forest?
I heard there might be.
Mommy.
Where'd Mommy go? We've lost Mommy. Let's catch Mommy. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it, Flynn?
Yeah, come down.
Coming. Try not to fall in. Gonna go rocks? Gonna catch up with them? Let's go! Let's go! Nice beach. Cool. Take us home, Flynn.
Bye.
Bye, beach. Bye. Bye. Bye, beach. Bye. Bye. Oh, a kangaroo! I see a kangaroo.